Let's make some quesadilla burgers. Alright, so of course you're going to need your own ground beef. I'm choosing to use pre-made patties because I just don't feel like the stress today. I'm going to also use street taco tortillas just because they're the perfect size for the quesadilla burger. Seasonings are very simple, just the Creole seasoning and some black pepper, aka salt and pepper. The cheese of choice is pepper jack. We're going to use some shredded iceberg lettuce. And then our sauce over here is the old El Paso creamy queso sauce, the Hidden Valley Ranch secret sauce, which basically is the spicy ranch. And then we're going to need either some pico de gallo, or you can use rotel, whichever one you want to. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing, of course, we have to do is season our patties. Like I said, I bought my patties already pre-made, so I'm not gonna break them up or anything like that. I'm just gonna throw the seasoning on top. You guys, restaurants do this all the time, so if you think they're just doing something spectacular to their burgers, they're not. I'm going to go ahead and just throw on some of the Creole seasoning, aka the salt of my choice. And then I'm going to also throw in some black pepper. And then I'm just going to flip it over, do the other side. Literally, that's it, guys. You can make your burger patty how you want. This is my recipe. I like simple things at times. Sometimes the simplest recipes are the best. So let's just finish seasoning this like that. Now we're going to add in the black pepper. And boom, we're done. I'm going to meet you guys over at the stove. Hi guys, we're at the stove. We have our cast iron skillet. Use whatever skillet you have at home, and we're just gonna throw those patties right on there like so. Cook them to your liking. We like ours well done in this house. No pink for us. So cook your patties how you like them, and I will see you guys back once the patties are complete. Goodbye. Okay, so now that our burgers are done, I'm still at the stove. We're going to start assembling our burger, because this is the whole point of the quesadilla burger. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of butter on my skillet. I'm going to take the first quesadilla and, well, actually I'm going to assemble both of them. So I'm going to take the first one and the second one, and what we're going to do is I'm going to use the queso, just shaking it up, and I'm going to put it all around the bottom of the burger. This is a creamy burger. Then what we're going to do is take our shredded lettuce. We're just going to plop some of it on top. There we go. I love this burger recipe. It doesn't taste the same as a regular burger. It's just something about it. Make sure we're putting enough lettuce. There we go. And then I'm going to take some more queso and spread that on top like that. And now what we're going to do, I know it seems like a lot of cheese, but y'all, that is the whole point of this burger. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some shredded cheese. I didn't show this in the beginning, but please add it. Just a little bit of shredded cheese. I'm just using Monterey Jack. There we go. Now it's time to add our patties. It should fit perfectly. Add my other hamburger patty. And this is when we want to add some of our spicy ranch. You can find this at Walmart, any local grocery store. Add that like that. We've drained our rotel, just the original kind. And I'm adding that on top as well. If you like it spicy, use the spicy can of rotel. So good. So I'm just adding a little bit. And you can omit this if you don't like tomatoes or rotel or pico de gallo, whatever. You can just go ahead and omit this. But I'm just adding that on top of the burger, putting as much as I see fit. Just gonna add a little bit more. There we go. Okay, that should be enough. And now I'm going to add a slice of my pepper jack cheese so that can melt on top. And then what I'm going to do is add the last piece of tortilla, press that down, and we're going to let the whole thing crisp up and melt. So let's go ahead and start that process. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, literally that is all that you need. As you can see, the burger is nice and crisp. I paired it with some french fries. But yeah, it's melted. I cut it in half. It's so good. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Bon appetit.